Hello, students and parents. Welcome to Pre-Algebra. My name is Miss Breed, and I'm so excited to meet you and to work with you this year. Pre-Algebra is the beginning of a lot of math that you can do both in high school and college and beyond. So I'm hoping to learn a lot with you this year. I want to go over a few expectations for our class. First of all, in this presentation, I'll talk a little bit about who I am, what supplies you need to be successful, what are the expectations of the class, how are grades decided, and what do you do when you need help. I'm a mom of 3. I graduated from the University of Minnesota. I've been a teacher for more than 15 years, and I love new books, and I like to go riding my bike on trails. For this class, you will need pencils, more than one, erasers, graph paper, and a notebook. Come to class every day with a charged laptop. Sometimes we'll use it, sometimes we won't. Your cell phones should be turned off and out of sight. I don't need to see them, and neither do you. I really strongly believe that attitude goes a long way toward learning. Come to class with a positive attitude, and learning will go smoothly. Be prepared. Show up with the right supplies and your finished homework. And every day work hard. Show me some positive effort. Grades are based on tests, homework, and quizzes. Most of your grade comes from the tests, but you can't do well on tests unless you complete your homework and you do well on the quizzes. You can retake tests in the class because I want you to get a good grade in this class, and I'm sure you want to get a good grade in this class. So I'm going to help you earn that grade. When you need help, I'm available at the Math Resource Center. My email address is in blue. I'm available before or after school, or we can set up some time maybe during core if you have questions. Ask lots of questions in class, with each other, and outside of class. Let's make it a great year. Thank you.